got the trusty knife. It's ready to crack in to today's super quick unboxing. It's the SC15 cable by Rode. And this particular cable is USB-C for plugging into, say, a computer or your RodeCaster Pro 2, something like that, to a lightning connection. So let's going to have a look at what's in the box here. Let's see if we can figure out how to open this thing. How do you open this thing? We're going to see what's really in here. Now, it's basically just going to be the cable because it's not a super large box. And you can see that is now the box empty. And we've got a ribbon style cable. And we've got a right angle USB-C and a flat end lightning. So if I say have my phone, because obviously you can only use it with a lightning based thing like a lightning port iPad or an iPhone at this time. So this is a super short cable. This is the super short version. You can get the SC15, which is like a 1.5 meter cable that'll basically have the same end, like USB-C to lightning. This bump just seems to be a bump, so it could be just like a one of those line interference sort of things. You know, they put the magnets on the lines. It's probably got something that's very streamlined for that. I really don't know what that bump would be for otherwise than like a magnetic line interference sort of help take it down. So yeah, if I have my iPhone, for example, that would just plug right in. But yeah, I can plug my phone in. This end will go into either computer, or if I've got like a microphone with a USB connection, like the Rode NTG or one of the other Rode mics that has a USB-C connection, I can plug basically the mic directly into my phone. The other use for the SC15 is to use the phone with RodeCaster Pro 2 on the USB number 2 input, and you can probably see some shots in the B-roll of how I've got that hooked up. But basically, yeah, that's the SC15. Lightning at one end. It's made for iPhone, iPad, iPod, as stated on the box, of course, and USB-C on the other end. Right angle, of course, to help go into either a device like a microphone or into the RodeCaster Pro 2. Well, this is Doug. I'll catch you later.